twin turbo. Oh my God. It's the beast.
People here from everywhere. Carolina.
What?
You know,
800 miles. Honey, what did the owner of this car just tell you to do?
I had to buy it.
What do you think he's gonna run? Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and it's very windy where we are at today, guys, so I'm trying to be really loud, but if you look around, there is something going on here. That's right, we're at Bleed Ford Blue Fest in Chicago, Illinois at Sutton Ford. This is a show put on by Blue Oval Media himself, Kenneth Shawn, and this is his event, guys. Tarheelfox tour is still going on. You see Tarheelfox over there, Tiffany's there. Drove over 800 miles to get here. No problems with the car, but we're just gonna hang out today, show you guys some of the show and try to avoid some of this wind. So sorry about that, but let's go ahead, start seeing the show and hanging out. Already found our first celebrity today, guys. It's this guy, Neo Mustangs. Is that a GoPro? Is that a GoPro? What are you doing? What's up, man?
What'd you do, smash yours?
Yeah, when I first got it. Check it out, guys. Yeah, see, they never see this on my channel. Have to check out Neo's to see what we're talking about here. So guys, like I said, I got Tiffany here with me, and as the wind picks up, but Tiff, normally at the shows, you don't get to see any of the cars. You're just working, right?
I normally just hang up in the car and doing stuff.
Luckily, Gearhead 704 is not that popular out here, so we're gonna look at the cars together. So let's start right here with Tom's. We're gonna go down the line. I forgot to mention this was an all Ford show, so only Fords, so you'll see more than Foxbodies, but I'm curious if Tiffany recognizes this car at all. Kind of quizzing me. Does it look familiar? Does this type, not this exact car, but this kind of car?
It looks like how yours looked originally a little bit more.
Yeah, so I knew she wouldn't remember. You remember when I got sick and you took over the channel?
Yes.
It was exactly one of these cars, the summer edition. This is one of the ones you reviewed. We'll throw back to that video real quick, guys.
This yellow Foxbody, I think maybe we'll go with the yellow as our daily.
Do you remember now?
Sure.
Okay, let's look at more Fords.
We have our first giveaway. If you're trying to win something free, we have the first giveaway. So I have this young gentleman right here, and he is about to give away a t-shirt. If you all can say the name of his car. Whoever's the first person to say the name of his car. Yeah. Well, we got the first one, and you are our winner. Come here, C500. You are the winner of a Gearhead 704 shirt. Put your hands together for the 5 of you all that's listening to me. Put your hands together for our winner right here.
Guys, I was looking at a Galaxy convertible that was Carolina blue, and I was telling Tiff that needs to be your car, and here's the Galaxy right here. So she wasn't convinced. Were you convinced? No. Look at this big boat. I love it. Tiff, look how big the trunk is. Honey, what did the owner of this car just tell you to do?
I had to buy it.
Yeah.
Or at least buy one like it.
Yeah. That's the guy right there. What does she have to do, sir? Tell everybody on the channel one more time. What do you think she should do?
Buy that beautiful blue Galaxy convertible.
Yes, yes. Let's go do it. Comment down below if we should. Thank you. you like more of this style than that Galaxy over there?
Yeah.
Look at the interior. Oh my God.
Yeah, these.
Tiffany is digging these more. So the 50s, more of the 50s style. Okay, we got to get her out of the 60s, guys. We're gonna get her another car someday. It's not coming soon, but.
No, I like the rounded, like these round headlights.
Yeah. You guys remember 417 Fox, booth right over there? He gave me a hat last time. Freaking awesome merch. So I got the Gearhead shirts back in stock. Got them at the show. So I got to give him a Gearhead shirt. Got to do it. It's not just a Mustang, it's a Foxbody. All right, man. Finally paying you back.
Oh man, thank you
So
so much.
Gearhead shirt.
Oh,
Remember, it's not just a Mustang, it's a Foxbody.
oh, I love these. I love these.
There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for the hat, man. Had to get you back.
Really appreciate it, man. Repping the 704.
Guys, sorry, earlier I'd been in wide mode. I finally switched it back, but I've been in wide mode ever since my last video. Anyway, got Hanlon Motorsports out here, seeing you again. Just saw him at Chocolate Fox, but this is the 3650 or the TKX? I forgot.
3650.
I thought it was.
Yep. And
Explain that.
over there is the TKX.
Okay. And you got, like, you told me the other night, you got over 40 of those waiting to sell, right?
I do.
Yeah.
I got a shipment in on Wednesday. I got the 6.8s and I got the 8.1 overdrive, 287 first gear units. Still waiting on the 327 units to come in, but hopefully fingers crossed soon. So,
Okay. Okay, so if you need a TKX like now, hit them up.
ready to go out the door.
Yeah, you and I were talking about this one.
Yes.
Maybe stay tuned to the channel, guys. Something on Project Nemesis coming. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Great to see you out here again, man.
Yes, you too, sir. Appreciate it.
Another thing they have out here today, guys, is a dyno contest, trying to see who can get the most horsepower. Running all the dynos here, and guess who's coming up next? The man, his show himself. He's getting ready to put the KSD notch. Let's see what it makes. I don't know. Last time I saw it was 700. I think it's going to do a lot more than that. Let's find out. Any guesses? What do you think? What do you think he's going to run? I know it's going to be more than 700, or it should
Definitely
be.
even more 700.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 802.
802?
802. He's gonna do it.
550? All right.
You said 500.
500? All right.
Yeah. Maybe on the street, that's what he says. All right, I'm gonna go with, I wanna go 704, but it's gonna wait more than that. 798, that's my guess, 798. Find out who's right. If Tom's right, guys, you have to subscribe to him. That's all I'm saying. Look at the crowd, guys, that's waiting for Ken to go up there. Look at this, look at this. Is it that man's show or what? I think it is. Look at this crowd, look at this crowd.
I got bets 400. Who got? I got side bets 400. I got 400 right here. 400. 401. 401. Well, everybody getting quiet over there. Looking to see what it does on the dyno, man. I got a new setup, new everything. We only had 18 pounds of boost, so I'm gonna take it up to 26 one day. But today we're gonna find out what we get at 18 pounds of boost. So.
681, first pass. All right, guys, I'm with the actual creator of the event himself, Mr. Ken. And Ken, guess what? We're already messing up today. I was filming in wide mode for half the thing. And the wind, you ordered the wind for me special. It's a windy city, right? And I've heard this ain't even windy.
It is the windy city.
This isn't even that the windy, apparently.
But you know what? No, because it gets way worse than this.
Yeah.
But the weather wasn't bad, though. It's not.
The weather
overly
is
hot.
great.
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Considering all things, so.
And thanks for ordering up too, by the way, on the horsepower. I heard you hit 704 one time for me. So thank you for that.
So we literally said, where is Gearhead? Because my car hit 704.9. and we were only on 18 pounds of boost. So
Oh,
you're like,
man.
where's Gearhead when we saw
Oh,
it? So,
man.
Man, shout out to you, man, for real, for all of that.
I would have been there, but somebody actually wanted to buy a shirt, so I had to.
Hey, no, you gotta get the shirt sales, all right? You gotta get it.
But this your event, and what do you think? The turnout seems amazing, man.
Yeah, man, over 200 cars showed up, and this is my first event, man.
Yeah.
The consensus is that people are having a good time, that people are at the
Yeah.
dyno, man. People are seeing cars they've never seen before, and so
Beautiful weather.
beautiful weather, and people here from everywhere. I have people here from Carolina,
What?
you know,
800 miles!
like, you know, Atlanta, New York, a little bit
Yeah.
of everywhere, Ohio. So
Wow,
I'm
yeah.
just grateful for you guys just showing up. I'm grateful for you and your wife showing up, man. Like, it really
Oh, you
means a
too
lot
kind.
to
We
me.
were not gonna miss this, man.
Like, for real,
This is a
really
special day. Special day,
Like,
you know.
it really means a lot for you all, to little old me. Like, I'm just
Little you.
here, man.
Man, he done passed me, left me in the dust a long time ago. What you talking about? But hey, are you
Not a
having?
competition? It is not a
No.
competition, man.
Good thing for me. But anyway.
Look, let me tell y'all something. I love watching these videos, and like, because I know that it's going to be comical, but then also entertaining, but then also like informing as well. And so you get all of that, and the bloopers. Oh my God, that's my favorite part of every episode, man. I love the bloopers.
I work for Hard for this. No, actually, they have it pretty natural. But big thing, other thing we want to know: are you going to have it again next year? I would think so, right?
So I think we're going to do it again next year, and we're going to do it at the track with the dyno.
Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So be sure, if you're not checking him out already, I have all his contact information on the screen. But awesome event, Ken. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, brother.
Thank you, man. Thank you for coming out, man. Love you all.
Those wheels are it. Those wheels are it. I love those wheels. Oh my goodness. I need to sit.
Like squirrel? Squirrel?
I know, look at us. We both play Gravitate. We aren't even letting the man out of the car. We're like shoving the cameras over here. I need a set for my car.
Those are promotional wheels.
Really?
91 from HRE.
Oh, wow.
HRE promotional.
From 91.
91.
Mm.
Holy smokes. That is great.
Yeah. Wow. Starting to wind down here a little bit, guys, but I did give away a shirt today, and the winner of the shirt, of course, is Sublime. Who knows the name of his car, Gearhead's car? We'll give it before he could even say anything else. You're out yelling, Tar Heel, Tar Heel!
Right spot, right time, man.
Yep, yep.
Not wearing it.
But I was so surprised. What the heck is this? I haven't seen this car, what, over 2 years? Over 2 years now.
2 years, man.
Funky 5.0.
Motherfucker.
You got black sunshine here. I knew it worked out with the control arms. We talked about that.
Yep.
And that's the last thing I saw. That's that way, just slant, everything went together, I guess, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
That really was the one thing that stopped you from Ford Takeover.
Yeah, it was. I wish that I had them because it would have been farther along than it was
Yeah.
now. So, but it's running. Everything's running good. I got a heating issue. I got to try to figure out.
Okay. Got a little hot on the way up here.
Yeah.
But I think the engine bay, I already told you this off camera, the engine bay turned out great, guys. It's a custom. He didn't do the Scott rods. You said you would now do the Scott rods.
Yes.
Because of all the work, but it's custom and it turned out great. You happy with it?
Oh yeah, definitely happy with it. Just all the work sucked.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. That's trust me, man. You see, I should be working on my coupe, but I keep working on that thing. You got no AC yet, but you got the compressor. You just got to hook that up.
Yeah, there's a special wiring. I have to do it on my channel. There's a special wiring harness you can get with the because I got Terminator X on here.
Yep.
That you can get to hook up your AC to this.
Yeah, I want to ask you about that. You got Terminator X. You did the tune, or you had some help from Dan, right?
Dan, regular guy garage.
Okay.
He tuned it for me, so I'm still learning. I don't know a lot about it, so.
I know nothing about it. I still got the old school one, so I mean that's awesome. He helped you out. As far as that goes, it's running pretty good though with that tune and everything.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I think it's running hot. Like they said, you know, it's a rebuilt motor. It's a 306 with AFR 165 heads.
Yep.
It's got an Anderson N41 cam in it, and it's a full Steeda suspension besides the UPR K member.
Yep. And you got the Cobra intake. You got the plaque for it, right?
I do. I was trying to get the interior done to get here.
Yeah.
But I just didn't have time to.
Yeah, because you had the whole interior ripped out too.
Yeah, I did.
So how'd you do on that? Pretty good. Pretty good.
Good. I got 417 Foxes swap in there.
Oh yeah, look, you actually did it.
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Because I remember seeing this car. That's how I found out about the car first, because I came in late to Ford Takeover, guys. And I was like, need to park by Foxbody, and I saw Black Sunshine. So I'm really happy for you that you got it all put back together. Well, guys, check out his channel if you haven't. If you want to see this entire build document on his channel, you got it all documented there now. It's one other car I want to check out, show here real quick. I get a lot of questions sometimes about SN95s. I don't really do that content, but we got Walt here, SN95 Power.
Yeah, you know, we just trying to represent the SN95.
They need more love. And he has my favorite intake. This is like, you got a push rod in an SN95. It doesn't get better than that, really.
it's the best of both worlds.
I think so.
Personally, I think, you know, no diss to the monster shot, you know, platform.
Yeah.
I'm a mod guy, but my heart is always on the push rod motor.
Yeah, and we are too, so we love that. And like I said, my favorite intake. I mean, and it's polished. He said he'd sell it to me for $40, right? No, you didn't say that.
I said that's how much I paid.
Oh, that's what it was. I was trying. I had to try.
Add a couple of zeros on there. We might.
Oh, all right. I have to pass. It's beautiful, beautiful car. And if you want to see SN95 content, check out his channel.
SN95 Power.
There you go. Thanks for being on my channel, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're wrapping up here. Awesome time at Bleed Forward Blue Fest, getting to hang out with everybody. Was a little bit windy, and of course, I did have this in wide mode, so sorry about the quality on this one, guys. I apologize, not my normal quality. Anyway, we're getting the win. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, for Sunday and Wednesday. And yeah, we'll see you here next time on Garrett 704. We got to do time lapse, guys. Not time lapse. We got to do music overload. No, not overload. I don't know what to call
Overlay.
it. Wait, here we go. We got to do like a cinematic something. I don't know. You'll see what it is. Just look at the cars. Look at the cars. The wind noise is going to be great in this, guys.
I know. That's
It's all
what I was just talking about.
I'm probably going to delete all this.